Okay, this is Steve again, going inside this 2015 Regal 24 Fastec with the power tower. It's got the nice tweed carpet in it. Interior is virtually perfect. No rips, no tears. This comes all the way back. Well, you gotta push a lever to do that, like that. So this makes into a nice sun pad back here. Nice walk-through transom. 13-person capacity. 112 hours on it. I gotta get a picture of that. It does have a head compartment with a porta potty in it. Really nice. There it is, 112 hours. And that's it for now. I've got photos of the engine in there. Great boat. You can see this boat at www.boatsofdallas.com. My name is Steve.